With that, we recited the Mawlid of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, which has a close connection with the celebration or the event that we are celebrating, which is the birth of the grandchild of Baghdad. For the Mawlid that we have just recited is our remembrance of the birth of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Mawlid is in essence, what is the Mawlid that we have just recited just now? The Mawlid, in summary and in essence, is us remembering the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and his life story, his history, his biography. And so we have just recited the biography of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who he is. But isn't the biography of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam known as Seerah? Yeah? Because if we were to study the Islamic sciences, and if we were to delve or indulge into the life of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, or study the life of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, we would surely open up the books called Seerah. Seerah is the life of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the history of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Seerah comes from the Arabic word Sara Yasiru, meaning to walk or to tread. So the ulama, they call the history of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as Seerah. Why do they call it Seerah? Because it is the life that the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam walked.